Hey guys, welcome back with another video on our channel LearnWidGiggs. In this video, I would show some posts related to job openings in Power BI that I have collected from my network on LinkedIn and which I think are authentic posts. So this is a new initiative that I have started on this channel so that it would help people in getting the interview call and thus getting the job. Let me know in the comment box if you want to see this type of video continuously on this channel. Please apply to the positions that I will show you in couple of seconds as soon as possible as the requirements gets closed very quickly due to large competition. So let's see the vacancies now. Okay. So I will discuss with you the vacancies related to Power BI as well as Azure. Okay. So whatever is relevant to you, you can utilize it. Plus you can share it with your friends so that they can also apply for it. Okay. So first vacancy, let's talk about that. So there is a opening at PwC, okay, PwC India. So PwC Bhubaneswar, it's a new office that has been built up recently. So there we have some requirements for Power BI, where the experience requirement is 2 to 8 years. Okay, so you can go on LinkedIn, follow this person Pratik Mondal. Okay, as he has mentioned, drop me a message on LinkedIn if you are a good fit. Okay, so if you are related to Power BI, so go to this profile, just send the request and ask for the referral. Okay, because there is a recruitment drive that has to be happen for this new office. So basically it's a new office, so lots of vacancies must be there. So go and apply for this position as soon as possible. Okay, so this is regarding job opening first. Now let's move to the second job opening. Okay, so it's a little bit blurry for you, but the one which you have to look for is business intelligence. This is the first row. So if you have a skill of Power BI as a primary skill, or even if you have a Tableau or ClickSense or ClickView as a primary skill, okay, then you can apply for this position. And the secondary skills includes ETL plus SQL plus SSIS or any other reporting tool. So these combination of primary skills and secondary skills, if you are applicable for this, if it is relevant to you, and if you have an experience between 3 to 8 years, you can apply for this position, where you have to send the resume. You have to send to faz.modi@globant.com. Okay, so this is a vacancy in Globant company. Okay, and there are a few other openings also. If it is relevant for your other friends, so you can share it with them also. Okay, so this is regarding job opening 2. Now let's move to the job opening 3. Okay, so this is related to company Bitwise Solutions. So the location is Pune. Notice period is 45 days. Okay, and you have to send your resume at aditi.chavan@the rate bitwiseglobal.com. Okay, and you also have to see that they want the resumes with photographs. Okay, so take care of that part also. Okay, so here you can see we have openings for uh, data engineer, where if someone is skilled in ADF, so they can apply for this with experience 3 to 5 years. Also, if you are looking for project manager role with the data and analytics and specifically for business intelligence, then you can apply, and the experience required is 11 to 14 years. Okay. Similarly, we have Azure data engineer position that will be remote, and the experience requirement is 4 to 9 years. So if anything is relevant to you, so please apply for that accordingly and send the resume to aditi.chavan@bitwiseglobal.com. Okay. So this is job opening 3. Let's move to job opening 4. So this is the urgent requirement for below skill sets: AWS, SharePoint, Tableau, and Power BI. So for this, freshers can also apply, but there is a requirement from fresher side that they must have a certificate, a legitimate certificate to apply for this. Okay, so freshers can also apply, but with a certification. Location is Bangalore, and notice period, obviously they will always prefer early joiners. So you have to mention the skill name and apply to sony.yadav@genpact.com. So this is a vacancy regarding company Genpact. Okay, it's a very good company, so you can apply for it as soon as possible. Okay, so this is regarding job opening 4. Now let's move to job opening 5. So this is regarding EY. It's a big four consulting firm. So EY GDS Kolkata is looking for data analyst having 3 to 5 years of experience. Okay, and the skill set, as you can see here, is Python, Alteryx, Power Apps, Power BI, and plus preferable technology is Azure. So if you have skills like this, you can definitely share your resume to this email ID that is present over here. Okay, that is Tamijuddin IamDar2@gmail.com. So you can send the resume to this particular email ID. Now let's move to the 6th job opening. So it's related to Power BI lead position, which having experience of 3 to 6 years. Okay, joining 30 days and or immediate preferably. Okay, work from office is there from the day one, and location is Bangalore, Chennai, Pune or Hyderabad. Skills are SSIS, Power BI, data warehousing, so basically the MSBI stack. Okay, so interested candidates can message her on LinkedIn. Okay, so you can go and follow her or send a connection request to her and ask for the referral. Okay, or she is the recruiter, so she can directly connect with you for the interview call. Okay, so these are the 6 positions that I wanted to share with you. So please share all these 6 positions to all your friends, all the people connected with you, so that they can also apply for it. And I hope many of you get the call from the respective companies. Okay, so do subscribe the channel for videos like this, and I will keep uploading such valuable videos for you all in the coming time too, so that it can help you a lot. Okay, thank you.